Hello and welcome to FGC's exclusive ProScan trading modules. In the next few minutes, you'll be unlocking your true potential as a currency trader. In a moment, you'll be looking at a single ProScan trading module for learning purposes. Once you've learned how to read and understand a single module, then you will progress into using all 6 modules for a comprehensive view of your currency trading. So let's get started. We're going to use the format you see in front of you. The left side of the screen will display the FGC ProScan trading module. The right side of the screen will display data commonly used by day traders. We'll show you how ProScan can give you an edge in your trading and give you the confidence that you need to make decisive, profitable trades. It will become clear why financial institutions continue to be successful, when as an individual trader, most traders seem to struggle and guess through their trades. We're almost ready to begin. The ProScan trading module was designed using the same advanced technologies used by commercial airlines. HUD, heads-up display technologies, are used to give greater awareness and real-time relationships between moving numeric values. And now when you think about it, that is exactly what currency trading is all about. Think of the value of having greater trend awareness and real-time relationships between ever-changing price, volume, and trend. In this tutorial, each scene will isolate a single function on the ProScan module. Each function will be moving as if in real time and then explained. You will have the opportunity to isolate each function on a step-by-step process. When this video is complete, you will be on your way to a much greater market awareness and understanding of currency trading. So let's see what you've been missing. We need a place to begin, and volume seems like a very good place to start. Before we move forward, we need to understand what volume is and how volume is measured and displayed. A common definition of volume: the number of lots being traded over a certain time equals volume. Why is volume important to traders? It shows the force behind the market. When volume is high, the price action increases. That's measured and displayed as moving in a single direction. When the volume slows down, then the market can become more unstable. When volume slows down, price correction is much more likely to happen. To put this into direct terms, when everyone jumps in the market, the volume increases and the currency price zooms. And when volume slows down, the currency price can begin to slide in the opposite direction, or perhaps range trade, staying within a very narrow price range. Now let's look at the silver arrow located on the left side of the ProScan module as it moves up and down. We can easily see the volume increase and decrease. When the arrow moves up, this shows an increase in volume, and when the arrow moves down, this shows a decrease in volume. Notice you can see these changes immediately. You don't need to wait 15 minutes to see a change in volume. This is very important, as you will learn in a few moments. Let's take a moment to see what individual traders without ProScan modules are seeing. You may be in for a surprise. Looking at the right side of the screen, you see the standard volume indicator. Let's focus on this indicator. What we're going to discuss is very important, so follow along closely. Watch how the last vertical line starts at the bottom and moves upwards. These types of volume indicators are actually measuring price ticks on the currency and not the actual volume. It can only add price ticks. It is impossible for this indicator to ever go down. The vertical line starts off red, and once the tick counter passes the previous tick line, then it turns green. At the end of every period, it resets all the way back to 0. In fact, the real trading volume can actually be going down, and this indicator always shows the volume increasing. Imagine using this price tick addition indicator to enter and exit your trades. Now you will see how unique and how special the ProScan volume indicator is. ProScan instantly shows both upward and downward volume movement, and it has revolutionized institutional trading. And now it can revolutionize your trading, but this is only the beginning. Let's move on to even more exciting features. Now we are beginning to see how ProScan is different from anything else you've ever seen. Let's look at another exclusive ProScan function. Market futures. Here's the definition for market futures before we move along. For the most part, there are 2 types of orders. The first type of order is executed immediately at the current price, and the transaction is complete. The second type of order is for a buy or sell to transact when a certain price is reached in the future. Here's an example of market futures. The currency price for euro-dollar is 150.55. You place a buy for 1 lot of euro-dollar to trade when the price reaches 151. This is not the current currency price, but 45 pips above the current currency price. In our example, you've just placed a futures buy order. The new futures buy order is shown on the ProScan module in the lower right box just under the green arrow. This is the number that is always changing, and it represents how the market feels. The small green candle also displays the percentage of futures buy orders listed in the market. This is an excellent way to see trends and changing sentiment. Now you can compare red sell futures data with green buy futures data. Keep in mind these futures orders are always changing, and it may be taken off the market without ever transacting. Let's do a quick review and see what we've learned so far. Using the ProScan volume indicator, we can immediately see increases or decreases in volume, and we can see how the speed of the currency pricing can be affected. Also, by using the ProScan market futures data, you can watch how the market sentiment is always changing. Using these two indicators gives you the ability to clearly see, measure, and make decisions on how to trade. You now have a greater market awareness and an understanding of relationships between volume and futures market trends. This in itself should be enough, but there is more. You need confirmation from the actual trading market. Now let's see how you can confirm your observations with actual currency trading results. The ProScan module can also confirm the actual buy and sell contracts, also called current transactions. The large red candle represents the percentage of currency lots transacted as a sell, and the number inside the large red candle represents the number of lots sold. The large green candle represents the percentage of currency lots being bought, and the number inside the green candle is the number of currency lots also being bought. You now can see the percentage difference between buy and sell transactions. You can take the guessing out of trading. Now we can see everything working together. It will take time to better understand the relationships between all of this data. Traders use these ProScan modules to reduce risks and greatly improve the percentages of successful trades. Trading currency is not easy. You need the most advanced tools to make successful trades. Now you are beginning to understand why the large financial institutions use the ProScan modules. But we are not finished. There is so much more, and you are only just beginning. Remember, there are 6 currency trading modules that make up the complete ProScan trading platform. Once you spend some time understanding how all 6 modules work together, you will be amazed how much knowledge you will possess. Some of the most successful traders use the 4-hour module first for general market direction, and then sharpen their focus by moving to shorter time periods. Now you can do all of this on the same screen, and you can place several currencies on the screen all at the same time. For the first time, you will be able to see the numbers behind the candles. To become successful, you will need to watch, learn, study, and then trade using all the new and exclusive information you've gained from ProScan. It's time to stop trading against the banks and start trading with the banks. Now, put it all together and see what ProScan can do for you. Click the link and get started on your way to profitable trading.